Welcome back to Wellness Warriors Hub, the place where we dive deep into topics that affect your life. Today, we're tackling a subject that is too often ignored: the link between financial struggles and mental health. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Increased stress levels. Let's jump right in. The first thing we need to talk about is stress. Imagine the burden of unpaid bills, overdue rent, or even just the struggle of buying your next meal. This level of stress isn't just annoying, it can lead to significant mental health problems like anxiety and depression. Lack of access to mental health care. Okay, here's a catch-22 situation. You're stressed because of financial issues, and then, guess what? You can't afford the mental health care you desperately need. It's a cycle that's incredibly hard to break. Relationship strain. Financial stress doesn't just stop at affecting you, it spills over into your relationships. It can cause rifts between family members, strain friendships, and even lead to relationship breakdowns. That's an added emotional toll nobody needs. Reduced self-esteem and self-worth. Constantly worrying about money can really take a toll on your self-esteem and sense of self-worth. It's easy to equate your financial value with your personal value, but remember, you're so much more than your bank balance. Unhealthy coping mechanisms. Folks, this is a big one. When you're financially strapped, it's tempting to turn to unhealthy coping mechanisms, like excessive drinking or even drug abuse, which further erodes your mental health. Impact on physical health. Your mental health and physical health are two sides of the same coin. Financial stress often leads to poor nutrition and inadequate healthcare, and guess what? Your mental health suffers alongside your physical health. The vicious cycle. One of the most frustrating aspects of all this is the vicious cycle it creates. Poor mental health can make it harder to manage your finances, which in turn worsens your mental health. Call to action. This is a topic we could spend hours discussing, but let's wrap it up. The point is, if you or someone you know is going through this, you're not alone, and it's crucial to break the silence and seek help. There are community resources, helplines, and professionals who can help you navigate both financial and mental health issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. At Wellness Warriors Hub, we believe in the transformative potential of adopting a holistic wellness perspective. Our channel is devoted to providing you with insightful information, useful advice, and motivational content to optimize your physical, mental, and emotional health. Don't forget to subscribe for more content that helps you navigate the challenges of life. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care of your minds and your wallets, and I'll see you in the next video.